Welcome to the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. In this lesson, we are going to learn about addition. Addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. Addition is the art of counting quickly by using our memory. Any time that we count with numbers, we're using addition. Counting is simply adding 1 to a number. If we add 1 to the number 1, we get 2. If we add 1 to the number 2, we get 3. 3 and 1 is 4. 4 and 1 is 5, and so on all through the rest of the numbers. Counting is simply adding 1 to a number. This is addition. If we want to write out a sentence using addition, we use addition symbols. Here you can see the symbols are in blue. The first blue symbol is called a plus sign. And when we see this sign, we can read it as plus. The second blue symbol is called an equal sign. Anytime we read it, we can say equals. If we were to read all of these symbols as a sentence, we would read 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. We can also read this as 1 and 1 makes 2. That's really saying the same thing. 1 and 1 makes 2, or 1 plus 1 equals 2. Make sure you look carefully at the addition symbols. We're going to continue to see them all through this lesson, and they're very important. Here's another addition sentence. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. You can see the blue plus sign. You can see the blue equals sign. Whenever we add numbers together, the numbers add up to make a sum. The red number 3 is the sum of the addition of 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 makes a sum of 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Here is another addition sentence. 3 plus 1 equals 4. We learned that the first blue symbol is the plus symbol. We learned that the second blue symbol is the equal sign. And we learned that the red number is called the sum. The green numbers here, the numbers we're adding together, are called addends. Addends. We add addends to make a sum. The addends are the numbers in green. The sum is the number in red. 3 plus 1 equals 4, or 3 and 1 makes 4. Now it's time to memorize your first set of addition facts. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 1 facts. We're going to learn all of the facts where we add 1 to a number. Again, play the slide as many times as you need until you memorize all of the adding 1 facts. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We learned before that counting is the same as adding 1. We can also add 2 by counting every other number. Here you can see that the red arrow moves from 1 past 2 to the number 3. Here we're adding 2 to the number 1. 1 and 2 more makes 3. This is adding 2. Here we can add 2 again. If we start with the number 2 and add 2 more, we move past 3 to 4. 2 and 2 more makes 4. Now let's read an addition sentence adding 2. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 and 2 makes 3. Let's read another addition sentence adding 2. This time we'll start with the number 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 and 2 makes 4. Let's read one more addition sentence adding 2. We'll start with the number 3. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 and 2 makes 5. In the next slide, we'll memorize the addition facts adding 2. Play the next slide until you memorize all of the adding 2 facts. One plus 2 equals 3. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 7 plus 2 equals 9. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 8 plus 2 equals 10. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. How about some Latin? We can read addition sentences in Latin the same way that we read them in English. We simply read the Latin numbers instead of English numbers. Let's read these sentences together. Unus et unus sunt duo. Unus et unus sunt duo. The word et means and the word sunt means are. This is just like saying 1 and 1 are 2. Unus et unus sunt duo. Let's read another addition sentence in Latin. Duo et unus sunt tres. Duo et unus sunt tres. Duo et unus sunt tres. Now let's work on some Latin addition facts. Unus et unus sunt duo. Unus et unus sunt duo. Duo et unus sunt tres. Duo et unus sunt tres. Tres et unus sunt quatuor. Tres et unus sunt quatuor. Quatuor et unus sunt quinque. Quatuor et unus sunt quinque. Quinque et unus sunt sex. Quinque et unus sunt sex. Sex et unus sunt septem. Sex et unus sunt septem. Septem et unus sunt octo. Septem et unus sunt octo. Octo et unus sunt novem. Octo et unus sunt novem. Novem et unus sunt decem. Novem et unus sunt decem. Unus et duo sunt tres. Unus et duo sunt tres. Duo et duo sunt quatuor. Duo et duo sunt quatuor. Tres et duo sunt quinque. Tres et duo sunt quinque. Quatuor et duo sunt sex. Quatuor et duo sunt sex. Quinque et duo sunt septem. Quinque et duo sunt septem. Sex et duo sunt octo. Sex et duo sunt octo. Septem et duo sunt novem. Septem et duo sunt novem. Octo et duo sunt decem. Octo et duo sunt decem. Novem et duo sunt undecim. Novem et duo sunt undecim. In this lesson, we've started to learn addition. Let's stop here. Now it's time to study. Make sure you memorize all of the addition facts in this lesson. You will use these addition facts for the rest of your life, so learn them perfectly. We hope you've enjoyed this lesson in the Classical Liberal Arts Academy's Petty School Arithmetic program. For more resources from the Classical Liberal Arts Academy, visit us online at classicalliberalarts.com. God bless.